Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Audacity tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to trim and cut in Audacity without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do right here is to make sure we import our clip into Audacity, and then we want to make sure we come to the top right here. We make sure we zoom out, and then just like what it says, zoom in right here. Then this will allow you to see clearly the area you would like to cut off from your audio clip timeline in Audacity right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to cut from here to this part right here. So what you want to do right here is to click on take your mouse to the starting point. Okay, so take your mouse to starting point right here and start from here, and then click and hold down to highlight the area you want to cut. Now, once you select the area you want to cut, go ahead and make sure you press Ctrl X on your keyboard, and then that part is going to be cut off without any stress. So we can go on our own and adjust different area. So let's take a look at another. Let's say, for instance, I want to cut from here to here, then I'll just click and hold down, and I'll make sure I highlight this way, and I'll press Ctrl X, and that part is going to be cut off from the audio file. So we can go on our own and review some of the area that need to be cut, like this part right here. I'm going to click on here now, and make sure I click and hold down to highlight the portion right here. Press Ctrl X. This allows that part to cut away. Then we can go on our own and review. I'm going to cut from this part right here. Click and hold down, and then press Ctrl X on our keyboard to cut that part. So I can go on our own and use this method out there. We want to zoom out again. Then we have some of the area that still need to be cut. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So this part right here, so I'm going to go ahead. I like this part. Then I press Ctrl X and to cut. Then I'm going to zoom in again. And you have a clean audio right here. It's that simple. So you can use this method to cut or trim any part of your clip in Audacity software. So I'm going to go ahead and select this part, Ctrl X to cut. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Audacity software for your audio file editing, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.